everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we have our special guest. Okay, so we're going to do this one. Cash register and my shopping cart here. So without further ado, let's go into the video. Okay, so first this. Okay, this one. This one. No, this one. Oh, this one. We're gonna arrange this. So we have a lot here, and these are the cereals. Yes, they're the foods. And this is the cash register. Where did you? So set aside. Okay, they're arranging the items. So wait, that is a cash register. And now there you go, it's arranged. And now we're gonna play the cash register and shopping cart. So we decided I'm going to be a cash register girl, and then there are the two customers. Hey, we have an extra like this, Erica, because there are two people, and there's only one. We have two customers, so yeah, it's okay. Okay, so let's go into the video. Let's arrange. So, hey, don't cover the camera. Hey, we cannot see. I'm very sorry. Hey, what did you do? Like that. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. So we're not Filipino. We're not. So we're not American engineer, but she's so funny. We're not in America, but I'm Filipino. So why did you? Okay, so we're gonna the trick is on there. We are gonna play. Be quiet. Okay, without aray. We're Filipinos, and we. So without further ado, let's go into the video. Our dad is soldier. Like that. Okay. Hey, Alex. Okay. Go into the video. Okay. So up there in the computer desk, there have some like that. Yeah. I think you cannot see. Okay, you can see. So we're gonna put others like that and that and that, like that. Okay. Yeah. Hey, doggy. Princess. Why are you crying? Don't. Okay. So that. And then, hey, put the camera there. Okay, fine. Oh! I'm first. I'm the first. Okay. Oh no, you rock and scissors. Rock and scissors. What's rock and scissors? Rock and scissors. Yeah. Okay. Rock and scissors. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, Just get the camera there.
No! Just play!
Okay, so I'm going to get some cereals. Me first! No! Yeah, first you. First! Riz! Shut up!
Hoy, Nicole. So, in Sunday, my mom's gonna go here, the Philippines, because she is in Saudi Arabia. We're
Yes,
in there.
she's in Saudi Arabia.
So, we are so excited to hear about that. Hey, Faith, what are you doing there?
I'm just busy. Wait,
Now you know that. She's so lazy. She do not know how to cook.
Yeah, because
Just like that. Just like that.
hey, quiet. Okay, your change is
Oh, me next.
dollars, not dollars.
Dollar?
Hey,
Dollar, not pesos.
wait. Where's the card?
Oh,
And then this is the hey, go.
the credit card. Oh, the credit card saved.
So this is the credit card. As you can see, this is Hello Kitty.
And
So,
our cashier toy is Hello Kitty too. It's
so
mine, but
when you get the when you get the credit slide in the cashier, it means pago.
Pago. We don't know about that because we buy it at the SM, and we don't know how.
And this
how
is, I think this is Espanol.
yes, Espanol. And nakalagay dito, volte sempre.
We don't
Just like that. Just like that. Yeah.
So guys, we have one more thing to say. Please subscribe to our channel. And then,
And please subscribe to Faith Alex.
channel. Yeah.
Faith Alex Space Monghe. Please subscribe it to
And
have
then,
more views.
Yeah.
2 videos lang ang nakalagay doon, pero okay lang, panoorin nyo.
Okay, so I'm done. So guys, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye!